Now, will AI replace doctors? The answer is absolutely positively. Doctors, by the way, in surgery, they're already using robots and so on, which already has AI to a great extent. About 85% patients trust their doctors for giving the right answers. Do the doctors tell them how did they come up with the answers? AI will be again a tool which will help doctors. And it's quite possible that a patient may ask the doctor, Doctor, you're telling me I have breast cancer stage 3. Does your best AI system agree with you? I mean, just it's asking for a second opinion. So that could happen. And if the doctor says no, and maybe if the AI is much better 5 or 7 years later, the doctor could be asked for, hey, we're going to sue you for malpractice because you didn't ask somebody who was better than you. So those kind of questions are very important. Those will occur. Doctors, by the way, in surgery, they're already using robots and so on, which already has AI to a great extent. Now, will AI replace doctors? I mean, again, there has been a lot of fear. The answer is absolutely positively no. Already we have problems with radiologists because everyone's talked about that AI can do so much better in radiology that people are not going into radiology. So I don't think that this whole issue about replacing doctors will be that crucial. Similarly, AI replacing in driverless cars, there are too many technological problems there that it's not going to happen anytime soon. Will it happen? Absolutely. Arthur C. Clarke, one of the sci-fi writers in 1940s, had 3 interesting laws. And one of the laws was, if an eminent scientist tells you that a problem can be solved, he's almost certainly right. If really eminent scientist tells you a problem cannot be solved, he's almost certainly wrong. So eventually we'll solve these problems, but many of these are fundamental technical challenges. We're still far away from technical perspective. Forget about business perspective.